3, 2, 1.
Hi everybody, Paul Allen from the penalty box at Xcel Energy Center. There's Guardsy behind us on a Zamboni. We're going to go to that momentarily at about 11:20 on the show, which you can listen to from 9 until noon on the fan at KFAN.com. But ladies and gentlemen, behind us, the hated, dirty, cheating Colorado Avalanche. Boo! 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 Maybe we should talk a little trash to the Avalanche must and say, hey, nice record. Way to have all those big salaries and all those big names. Boy, Joe Sakic's been helping you a lot lately. Boudage or Boudai? Colorado Avalanche. Sacre bleu, sacre boo.